Right, drawing a third angle orthographic projection of this object. I'm going to choose this as being my front view, which shows me the syringe over here being connected to some levers, which are connected to the little box that it's been put onto, which is then connected onto this little door over here. Right, okay. If I'm going to draw that front view, what I need to do is I'm going to copy that down onto this sheet of paper. Obviously, I'd like you to do it to scale. I'm not going to be doing it to scale just to save some time. I'm going to just be judging the measurements. Start out. There is your front view's base. Goes up over here. Goes across. Comes down over here, showing me the box that it's in. Inside of that box, I've got a little syringe. And you can see the little nose of the syringe over here. That would be obviously connected to the pipe going to another syringe. Right, inside that syringe, you will be able to see a plunger of some sort, which you could hatch. That is connected to the end of the syringe. And I'm looking at this and seeing that that syringe is then connected to a lever. Okay? The lever over here comes out from here and is connected to another lever which is coming down at an angle. Take that right the way down. Right, once I've got that, that then comes across to the door. Which is connected to another lever over here. So that this is connected to another lever which is connected to the door. Everybody understand that idea? All right. I also have an attachment point over there. Let me just show you what I've got there. There it is. Happy with that? There it is in the diagram. See that idea? All right. Once I've got that, I then need to get a top view of this thing. How do I do that? I'm going to project lines up from this view, construction lines. Just very light lines going up, and I can now draw the top view in. There's the box looking from the top of it. And what will I see at the top? All right, you'll have a syringe over here, which has that little lever over there, going down onto a lever coming down here, which then goes across to there, which then goes to the door over there. Right, so let's draw that. My syringe, obviously, my syringe needs to line up with the syringe. Can you see how I'm using this idea of lining things up so that it all links up with my top view? There it is, there's my syringe. You can see the plunger in the syringe. See it, the plunger is at the same place in the top and the front view. There it is. It's got the plunger going over here. There it is. It's going to look basically identical to the front view. Okay, and this is where the changes are going to start happening, where I start seeing how the lever over here, there's my lever, which then bends round over here and continues along the side of this thing. And that finishes over there. That then I'll see some hidden detail of the syringe. Can you see the base of the syringe? Not the syringe, the lever over here. So I'd be able to see my lever, which is connected over here, coming all the way down here. And I have a little bolt which connects these two. You can see the bolt over there, there's the bolt over there. Right. That then gets connected to another lever, which then comes forward again, all the way to the garage door. And that gets connected to another little lever, which is connected to the garage door itself. All right, there's the last lever. Right, let's have a look at what that looks like. There it is. You can see the little lever. There's the little lever. You're seeing this idea of how that view and that view must line up. I must be able to see all the detail that's happening over here in this view, but from the top.